Hi guys, this is Lohith Bhargav. In this video, I will explain how to speed your computer or PC by deleting some of the files. There are two files in the every PC. I will show how to find them and how to delete them in the video. Go to run, then click the prefix, then click OK. You will have this all folders. This all are the files that immediately you have to delete to fast the laptop or the computer. Also you can delete them without any doubt and ambiguity, but some files will not delete as you are using some folders. Skip. This is one file you have to delete, and another folder also there. Go to run again and type %temp open. See, there are so many files. As I am doing daily editing, all the files also, videos also there. Click all and delete all of them. In this way you can save the storage and increase the speed of your PC also, but some folders will not delete. In this way you can fast the laptop or PC. Thank you
Please
for
subscribe to
watching
my channel and hit that like button if you like this video, and hit that bell icon to get notification when I upload a video. Please leave a comment